Okay, so here's another video with Crispy Vine, the professional patch man, who will tell you how to coat nails.
Hey, I'm Chris Vine. I'm going to show you how to coat screws in your own home. Go. We're going to start from the bottom, come all the way up, and come all the way back down, ensuring that we hit every line. The reason you pull it two ways is to fill in the hole completely. If you go one way, you won't be able to fill it up and you might leave a hole for the next coat.
Well, I hope you found this information useful. You can find my books on home building and remodeling at Amazon. But for now, tell them what to do, Chris.
If you like this video, show it, smash that like button, and subscribe for more videos like this one.